Hi, this is a short tutorial for starting assignment 2. So this assignment is about linear regression, and they are basically 3 tasks. And after you have finished the module, the lecture videos on Thursday, Thursday of the second week, that is Thursday, September the 3rd, you should be able to finish the first task, because this task is about using normal equation method to solve a linear regression problem. Okay, so this time you will be given a Jupyter notebook file, which is called assignment2.ipynb, and a data set. Okay, so this is a pretty small data set. So you should be able to launch it in the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so the CSV file looks this. It has 3 columns. The first 2 columns are the verbal scores and the math scores of SAT test, and the third score is the GPA of the students. So the task is simply to use the first 2 columns as features to predict the third column. Okay, so if I run this, so if I go to the first cell, then the third line of code is to import a third-party package called matplotlib. So this is a plot usually that is used to do for data visualizations in the Jupyter notebook. So you can install the package by pip install matplotlib in your command line. Okay, so run this first cell, and then the second cell, you don't need to change any code here. It's for loading the data sets. So I load the data sets here, this CSV file, and then print the shape of it. As you can see, the shape of it is 105 rows and 3 columns. So it's a pretty small, tiny toy data sets. And also you can print out the data to look at the actual values. So one thing I have done here for you is that I normalize the data sets by divide each column with its maximum values. Okay. So if you print out the data, it looks like this. The data is in the original values, but the data normalized ones is purely normalized data sets. So put it in that way is a typical to normalizing data sets, to normalizing the each features is a pretty standard operation in machine learning. But here I also normalize the target variable, but this is no big deal here. We are doing a toy experiment here. All right, so in the first task here, you should go through the video lectures and implement the necessary steps of the normal equation method for linear regression.